Hey everybody, this is Randa Lee Roberts with Coldwell Banker Sunstar Realty, your Suncoast home source, and today I am hosting an open house at 7204 Yarnell Street, which is located in Englewood, Florida. And I want to take you into this spectacular new build. It is gorgeous, the price is right, and I think you will just be smitten, like me, with all of the wonderful features that are standard in this beautiful home. Obviously, we enter through this gorgeous front door into this gorgeous wide open floor plan. It is just so tastefully decorated, ample space for the family, and with so many decorator features, my goodness, you will just think you hit the lottery. You walk into the grand living area, which of course has sliders, which I have opened to the screened-in lanai area, which also has an exciting feature that I'll show you as soon as we get that far. But you do have the great room space, which is attached to a dining room, as well as, of course, the 10-foot island area of the kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. It is just phenomenal. If you turn to the left, once you come in, you've got the garage area, which this garage is a lovely size garage with ample storage space, plenty of room for 2 vehicles. Your power panel is outside, as well as, of course, your hot water tank. It does have an exit that takes you into the yard. A little farther inside, you go straight into the laundry room, which, of course, these appliances do come with the home. And you can see you've got your wet sink. Back here, lovely cabinets that give you plenty of storage room, a bright and cheery room with that window to give you extra lighting. Through the kitchen area, which, as you can see, it's gorgeously decorated. It's got the dark cabinetry on one side with the quartz countertops, which I find appealing. And then on the opposite side, it's got the white cabinets. So therefore, you've got the newest feature in real estate, so that it mixes your colors and, of course, the design. The dining area. This takes you into the master suite. So the master is on the left side of the home. It has got a double vanity. So each individual has their own sink. Gorgeous soaker tub. Walk-in shower. It's even got the rain shower feature, as well as, of course, the standard shower that we see in many homes. And then, of course, you've got your wet closet, which is obviously something that you can close with the pocket door, which is, of course, the feature that they chose to use for the bathrooms, so that, of course, you can have your privacy. It has 2 nicely appointed sized walk-in closets, one on the left and one on the right, his and hers. And then you've got the lovely master bedroom. Lots of light in this room, so lots of natural lighting. It's got the gorgeous tray ceiling that you can see above with the ceiling fan. And then it's got the sliders, which of course will take you into the backyard space, which is, of course, large enough here for a swimming pool, should you decide that is something that you would like to have. Back out into the main living area, you'll notice that we've got the slider as well off of the dining area, which takes you to the back screened-in lanai with an outdoor kitchen. So this room obviously would be perfect for outdoor living space, a table, some chairs, whatnot. But that outdoor kitchen is actually something that I'm noticing lots of folks are desiring to have. And as you can see, the sliders just slide all the way back out of the way, so that you've got a wide open area with access to the outside. On the other side of the house is where we will find our other bedrooms and bath. So you've got bedroom, two large sliding doors, but walk-in closet, lots of natural light. You've got the hallway, which then takes you to the dual sink vanity with the quartz countertops and of course the porcelain sinks and a tub shower combination. I don't know if you're noticing, but these are 10-foot ceilings in here, which is obviously something that a lot of people desire and of course gives you so much open space. And then you have the third bedroom. Also with a very large, nice closet. All of the rooms in the home do have the ceiling fans, the bedrooms, the great areas, and so on and so forth. And very pretty lighting fixtures throughout. This home can be yours for $299,000, which is a steal for something this beautifully decorated and with the high-end features that this property does have. It is actually a 2,421 square foot home, and the heated area is 1,679 square feet. So it definitely gives you space to move about and have your own personal space while your family spreads about. I hope that this is something that you will come and take a look at. I am here today until 2:30. But I am available to show you this home anytime you'd like. Just give me a call, Randa Lee Roberts, 941-786-0005. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon for any of your real estate needs. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.